In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access File Manager in Hostinger. Whether you're managing your website files or making some changes to your website layout, knowing how to easily navigate to the File Manager in your Hostinger account can make your life much simpler. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. If you don't have a direct link saved, you can simply go to hostinger.com and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. You'll then be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Hostinger account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it by clicking on Forgot Password and following the instructions from there. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Cpanel dashboard. Now, if you have multiple websites hosted on Hostinger, you might see them all listed here. So, locate the particular website whose files you want to manage. Click on Manage, and this will take you to the control panel for that specific site. Now, on the control panel page, look towards the menu on the left-hand side. There, you'll see a section labeled Files. Go ahead and click on File Manager. The page will then refresh, and you'll be directed into the File Manager interface. This interface is quite similar to a standard file explorer that you might be used to on your own computer. It allows you to easily access, edit, upload, and download files directly on the server. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this screen. On the left, you'll see a directory tree, which is essentially the structure of folders within your hosting environment. Click on a folder to see its contents displayed on the right side. If you need to find a particular file quickly, there's a handy search option at the top. To upload a file, look for the Upload Files button usually located at the top corner. Clicking this will open a dialog where you can select files from your computer to upload directly to your chosen directory. If you ever need to edit a file, simply right-click on the file name and choose the Edit option. This will open a text editor within the browser, allowing you to make changes right there and then. Alternatively, if you need to download something, right-click and select Download. Remember, changes made here are usually instantaneous, so be careful when making edits, especially if you're dealing with core website files. Also, it's always a good idea to keep a backup of important files before making substantial changes. This will give you peace of mind, ensuring you can restore everything if something doesn't go as planned. There you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and using the File Manager in Hostinger. With these tips, you'll be navigating the file structure of your website with confidence. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.